Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this one is going to be the episode 2 of the series Know Your Resources, where today I am going to talk about the new topic, that is breaking the silence and embracing mental health. And before I continue, I would like to put a disclaimer over here that this is going to be something related to my personal life. I am going to talk about a bits from it, and let's see if you relate to it or not. So yeah, पहले तो आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि इमोशनल इंस्टेबिलिटी एग्जैक्टली है क्या. एज एन एजुकेटर आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन इट इन टू simple terms, that is expectations and depression. See, expectations directly proportional to depression. How? The more is going to be the expectation of the society from you, the more it is going to create pressure on you or your mental health, and ultimately the more is going to be the depression or emotional instability. So all in all, सब चीजों की जो जड़ है वो है expectations और comparisons. I believe comparisons kills compassion. Everyone is meant to do something in life. If I have to talk about myself, if I have to talk about my younger version, I used to feel, I used to get overwhelmed with the societal pressure and with the expectations of people closer to me. Like everybody, I also used to have a pressure, or you can say an expectations from people closer to me to follow a traditional career path, like to become a doctor or engineer. जैसे सारे हमारे इंडिया में एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं अपने बच्चों से कि शर्मा जी का बेटा टॉप कर गया तो मेरी बेटी भी टॉप ही करनी चाहिए, मेरा बेटा भी टॉप ही करना चाहिए, अगर नहीं करेगा तो उफ समाज में हमारी क्या हो जाएगा, बदनामी हो जाएगी, दिस एंड दैट. पहले तो ये रोकना चाहिए. बहुत बहुत प्रेशर क्रिएट होता है इस चीज से. दिस एवरीबडी नीड्स टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. देन टू क्रिएट दैट एनवायरमेंट सो दैट आपसे आके आपके बच्चे बात कर सकें, आपके दोस्त आपसे बात कर सकें, ऐसा आपको एनवायरमेंट क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा. सो दैट इज समथिंग दैट वी नीड टू डू, एंड दैट इज द इमोशनल इंस्टेबिलिटी आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट. I have a question for you people. Let me know in the comment section. Have you ever felt trapped in your desires and someone else's expectations? Because I have felt that too, as I've discussed just now. So let's communicate, or let's stay or stand together to break free and prioritize our own emotional well-being. That is a must. So that is one thing. And if I have to talk about the coping mechanism, the coping strategies, see, I believe you need to remember the 4 letters MPJS. M stands for mindfulness or meditation. P stands for physical activity, like some exercise, yoga, to release your endorphins. J stands for journaling. See, start penning down all your emotions or whatever you feel. Just पूरा उल्टी कर दो, मतलब words की उल्टी कर दो. Trust me, you'll feel better. Then support system. Yeah, everyone need to have a support system. You can confide in your family, you can confide in your friends. It depends आपका support system क्या है. And definitely Government of India has a lot of resources or helplines to help you in such matters. So that is one thing. And I confided in a friend, and that friend of mine told me to join a happiness wellness program by Art of Living, and that was proven to be a game changer for me. Trust me, they teach you a different kind of breathing techniques, and not just that, they help you prioritize your emotional well-being. And that is just one program that I've taken. I'm going to join their other programs as well sooner than later. So as an educator, मेरे पे भी societal pressure बहुत था to not to do that, do this specific thing, but I follow my heart. Whatever I like, I do. So that is one thing. And another thing is that I am going to continue focusing on my emotional well-being, prioritizing my emotional well-being along with following my passions as well. And as I said, when my people have some expectations from me to follow a traditional career path, whereas I had something else mind, I had different dreams. I'm not saying I have achieved all my goals, but I have taken a baby steps while I joined the happiness wellness program in order to prioritize my इमोशनल वेलबींग. सो वो मैंने छोटे छोटे स्टेप्स लिए हैं इन ऑर्डर टू कंप्लीट और टू रीच टू माई गोल. पहले अपनी यहाँ से अगर स्टेबिलिटी रहेगी तब आप अपने गोल्स पे भी पूरी तरह ओरिएंट हो सकोगे उस तरफ. दैट इज वन थिंग आई थिंक सो. एंड जो 4 लेटर्स मैंने बताए हैं, दैट इज अ कोपिंग मैकेनिज्म ऑफ माइंड. आई थिंक यू कैन ऑल्सो स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट. MPJS, mindfulness meditation, physical activity, journaling and support system. So in the description below I'm going to mention the resources or helpline that you can go and check. That is something you need to try. So the first resource that I'm going to tell you is Telemanas, a 24/7 free mental health support system or helpline by Government of India, as you can see over here. Vandrawala Foundation helpline. उसके बाद आता स्नेही suicide prevention, iCall, Art of Living, definitely. So ultimate conclusion over here is that to understand, remember, mental health matters. Yes. Break the silence, seek help and empower yourself. Feel free to talk to people. You are not alone. No, you are not. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I hope this is quite relatable to all of you. Let me know in the comment section if you want to share your experiences, your thoughts, or any question if you have. Share it in the comment section below. Let's work together to create a supportive community. Bye bye. Have a nice day.